Understanding Rising Tension, a guide for English learners. Hello, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, rising tension. It's a common expression in English literature and movies, and understanding it can really enhance your comprehension of stories and conversations. Let's dive in. Rising tension refers to a gradual increase in stress, excitement, or suspense in a story, conversation, or situation. Imagine a balloon being slowly filled with air. The more air, the tighter the balloon becomes. Similarly, in a story, rising tension is like this air, making the situation more intense and engaging. This concept is fundamental in storytelling, keeping the audience hooked and eager to know what happens next. To understand this better, let's look at some examples. 1. In literature, in a mystery novel, as the detective gets closer to solving the case, the obstacles become more challenging, and the stakes get higher. 2. In movies, in a thriller film, the hero's challenges escalate, the villain becomes more threatening, and the risks increase as the story progresses. 3. In everyday conversations, when discussing a conflict or issue, the tension might build as people express stronger opinions or emotions. Rising tension is crucial because it keeps the audience engaged. It makes stories and conversations more compelling and hard to ignore. Builds emotional connection. It helps develop a deeper emotional connection with the characters or people involved. Enhances storytelling. It's a key element in making stories memorable and impactful. That's all about rising tension. Understanding this phrase not only improves your English comprehension but also enriches your appreciation of stories and conversations. We hope this video has been enlightening and enjoyable. Keep practicing, and see you in our next lesson.